Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today in this video I am going to share with you this product. It is from Bronzen Professional. It is their sensitive precision beauty styler. We will talk about this product in detail in today's video, but before moving ahead with the content, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, you can even ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, the link for the Instagram as well as of the Facebook is given in the description box. So don't forget to check that as well. As well as the buying link of this particular product will also be given on the in the description box. So also check out that as well. Now you will say from where I got this particular product. I got this product from Nykaa. Alright, now we will talk about the packaging. It comes in this kind of plastic box or whatever you call it. Comes like this, but you cannot open it. Okay, there is no way to open it. You have to tear it off. And I did the same thing. I tore it off. I tore off. Okay, then on the top of this packaging, you all can see this kind of cardboard or thingy. Like, it gives you the information about what exactly is this. Okay, this is the cardboard thing. Okay, it comes with total 5 things. I'll just take out everything so that it doesn't make any noise. So when you take out everything, you can see it is like this. Okay, you all can see. Okay, on the back side of the product, the brief detail is given. Okay, this is the back side. Okay, all the details of the product is given over here, but it is in different language. It is not English. The writing is English, but the language what they have used is something else. I don't know, because this is made in China product. Let me tell you. Okay, now you will say ki Meghna, we should not buy Chinese products. Now hear me out properly. I am not a shaving girl on my face. I do not shave my face. Alright, then you will say why you got this product. Basically, I just wanted to try an eyebrow trimmer. Okay, for that particular part only I have got this product. And if you talk about my choice or my liking, what I'll do is I'll just take out everything so that it doesn't make noise again and again. Okay, if you talk about me, I go for my eyebrows to the parlor and I get the thing done. Okay, for waxing, I do not use waxing and all. You all know, you all must have seen my shaving videos and all. If not, I'll be definitely linking that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So check that. I have already reviewed Venus, the new snap razor. I've already used that, and I have already reviewed that as well as I'm using it right now. So that video is already up on my channel. So that is why I just wanted to try this particular eyebrow shaver. Okay, this basically I have got only for my eyebrow shaving. Now this is the product what I'm talking about. It comes in this kind of white sleek packaging. Okay, this is the head of it, and you all can see there are two different heads. One is small and one is little bit bigger. So if you want to shave your eyebrows, that is if you want to curve out your eyebrows, or maybe if you want to give some shaping to your eyebrows, then you have to use this small blade. Okay, and if you want to shave your face, then you have to just turn the product, and this is the bigger blade. With the help of this particular blade, you can use this on your face shaving. Alright, so this is the one head. The other head is this. This is basically made up for your intimate areas as well as for underarms. If you want to use this, use this for. Okay, this is the basically use of underarms as well as for your intimate area. So this is the second head. So basically you get two heads in this. Alright, as well as you get two different attachments. This attachment is for me is of no use because I cannot fix it. And I have seen the reviews and I know this is not going to fix. It doesn't fit properly. You all can see if it fits also, then it falls down. So this is of basically no use. But when you talk about this particular head, you all can see. You all can first comb your eyebrows and then you can start shaving. So it is for that. And the bigger head is for bigger side, and the smaller one is for smaller side. Like this. Yeah, it was wrong. Now it is right. The bigger one is for bigger side and the smaller one is for smaller side. Okay, so this is the second attachment. This is the first attachment. This is the second attachment. This is the main attachment. So you can say first, second, third. 3 pieces I have already shown you. this is the fourth attachment. If you want to take this shaver on the go, that is if you are traveling somewhere and you just want to take it along with you, then this is very handy. You all can see, you all can just pop it up on this and you all can carry this. You can keep it in your sling bag as well. It is that sleek. So for that you can use this. Okay, so this is for that. This is the fourth one, and the final attachment is this. This is not actually attachment. It comes with 5 things. It is a brush. So if you want to clean up your like razor, this particular blade heads and all, like you can use this as for that. Okay, so this all 5 things comes with this. The cell, that is the battery, is not included. You have to like buy it separately. You have to get it, like you have to put your own battery. Alright, now I'll show you how to remove the head. You all can see, it is very simple. You just have to twist. It comes off. Okay, so this is the first head. Now what you have to do, you have to just you all can see it is attached. So you just have to click it off. Okay, so this is the head attachment. What I'll do is I'll just put my original head. Okay, this is the original head. For battery, you all can see over here they have given you 1 0 and a 1 0 and a downward arrow. Okay, 1 0 is normal, that is the instrument is off. 1, when you twist it towards 1, it starts. Okay, and when you twist it towards downward arrow, that is if this part will open and you can keep your battery. I'll just show you. Where is this triangle? Okay, you all can see. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just put the battery. Now I'll twist it towards 1. You can see it is making noise. Can you hear the noise? Okay, this is the noise, this much noise it makes. When you get it to 1, it is off. Okay, we'll just try with the other head. Here you all can see they have given you the dots, 4 dots. On the head 2 dots and on the bottom 2 dots. So you have to just match it according to that, and then you can see this is the noise it makes. Okay, this much noise it makes. 0. So this is off. Okay, now you will say ki why to spend money and all, like is it useful? I will say if you are on the go, if you are in a hurry, you don't have time to go to the parlor and you want to use it, then definitely this is a very handy. And basically the cost of this is around under 400 rupees. So if you ask me, I will say definitely go ahead, buy this and keep it with you and try to use in some months, like within a month or two, use at least once. So otherwise it will become like dead, because when a machinery item, whenever you purchase any machinery item, you should use once in 2 months or maybe in 3 months. Once you have to use, otherwise there is of no use. Okay, and whenever you are keeping it away, you are not using it, don't forget to remove the battery. Just remove the battery and keep it aside. In this packaging also you all can see they have given a slot for battery, but it doesn't come with the battery. Instructions and everything is given very clear, it doesn't come with the battery, and even when I received it was not with the battery. So what I will suggest you is, if you are like if you don't have some time, like you don't have time to go to the parlor and like it's very difficult for you to manage everything, for that emergency situation this kind of trimmer is very useful. Now you will say why Bronson, why not others? If you are a face shaver girl, you shave your face, you shave your whole body and you want to use this for your whole body, then definitely I will say if you want to go, then you can go for some higher version. But as I told you in the beginning of the video itself, I have only got this for my eyebrow, and you can imagine just for the eyebrow, if I spend 2000 rupees, it doesn't make any sense for me, because even I'm not sure whether I'll be using this for eyebrow or no. Am I going to use it? Even that is the biggest question mark. I have just got this product and I'm right now just giving you all the briefing and all. Now you will say, Meghna, you have not tried, then how can you say? Definitely I cannot show you on the camera because I do not shave my face, and to show how to trim the eyebrow on the camera, it will be little bit difficult for me, and I don't have any other lady on whose face I can show you. You all know my family, like I have limited members in my family. I don't have any lady member in my family on like whom I can experiment this. So just cooperate with me because I don't have anyone to show me. But definitely if you ask me, I can definitely suggest you can go for this kind of mid-range product. Don't go for a very cheap product, or don't go for, if you are a shaver, face shaver and all, then definitely I will suggest you can go for wheat one. If not, then this much will suffice your needs. This will give you the basic, all the like facility whichever you require. And I think I have covered each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, don't forget to mention it in the comment box. I will definitely try to resolve your query as soon as possible. And please don't give it a thumbs down because I have not shown you on the camera. Try and understand my difficulty because I cannot show you. I can't show you how to trim the eyebrow, but definitely you can use this on the eyebrows as well. So just for that reason, don't give a thumbs down. If you do not like, don't watch, just skip the video. Watch my other videos. I have lots of videos on my channel. You can go and watch any of the other video, but don't give a thumbs down. It discourages a lot of. So please don't give a thumbs down. I think still if you have anything, like if you have any video request in your mind, you can also specify that also in the comment box. I will be try to resolve, like I will try to help you as soon as possible. Alright, and if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, एक like तो बनता है. Give a thumbs up, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, whoever are shaver, face shaver or eyebrow shaver or whatever, body shaver. Just share this video with them. If at all if it is useful for them, then why not? Alright. And that is all for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.